In this video, I will show you how I make roses using pizza dough. Keep watching. Okay, let's make those roses. First of all, I need to stretch a regular pizza base. Usually, I would not touch the edge so I get a nice cornicione, but I really don't need it here. Quite the opposite. I will stretch my base as thin as possible so it cooks nicely. Okay. Let me shake away some flour. It's not easy with a camera so close to my nose. The problem is, this pizza is round and I want it to be square. So I have my cutter. And now I need to make some stripes. I will need some cheese. I have those slices. I'm gonna cut them to size. And now some pepperoni. Oh wait, they need to overlap a little bit. Let me make a nice roll now. Oh, so cute. It's time to cook them. This is how my little roses look after around 15 minutes in my oven, 200 degrees. They are pretty cute. Hope they taste even better. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please show me some love, like this video, maybe you can share it with your friend. Don't forget to leave me a comment down here to tell me what you think about it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have plenty of new stuff to bring to you in future. See you next time, bye!